Welcome to Electric Guitar Lessons for Kids. And by the end of this video, you will be able to play to impress your family and friends. My wish for you is that I hope you listen in a way that makes you a great student today. I'm going to teach you a Summer of 69 by Bryan Adams, and this just uses two power chords, a D5 and an A5. So I'm going to show you the chords first and how to strum, and then I'm going to show you how you piece it all together. So let's jump straight in. When we play power chords, we just use two strings. I also really recommend you putting some of these dot stickers on because it makes it very visual to know where to place your fingers. Okay, so I'm going to take my first finger, my thumb's behind the neck, and I'm going to take my fingertip and I'm going to push down here on string 3 at fret 2. And this is what we call D5. And the second chord is going to be A5. So A5, I'm just hopping on to the dot above, or string 4. So it's really basic this, but it's gonna sound great and you're gonna impress all the family with this one. So when we push the string down, or we push the chord down, we want to pin the string to the fretboard and keep it pushed down, and that helps us to get a really clear sounding note. Okay, so I want you to just play along and practice with me. And even if you don't have an electric guitar, you still can play this on an acoustic guitar. So I'm pushing down here and I'm taking my guitar pick, or if you don't have a pick, you can just use your thumb. When we play electric guitar, it does sound better if we use a guitar pick. But essentially I'm just going to strum the 4th string and the 3rd string like this. So what I recommend doing is practicing holding down the chord and just seeing if you can strum those 2 strings and having them blend together. You've got to kind of move fast, because if we go slow, we get 2 separate notes like that. Just keep practicing until you find that accuracy. Sometimes when I teach this to children, they overshoot and then you get the strings underneath and then you lose the chord sound. So you want to work on accuracy at first when you can hit those 2 with great accuracy. So that's D5. So I'm going to hop my finger onto string 4 like this. Now I'm going to strum string 5 and 4. So you can hear how it's gone to a lower sound. And I'm just again practicing that to get some accuracy. I'm also strumming down here so you can see it on video. Usually when we strum the guitar, we want to be back down this end on the electric. Okay, so once you've mastered that and that starts to feel easy, then try switching between them. And a good strumming pattern would be do 8 on each one. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And remember, you can just go at your own speed as well. Now you probably can hear that it's starting to sound a little bit like Summer of 69, which is great. David just jumping in really quickly here. If you are looking for the perfect gift for a loved one, I have this book, Guitar Star in 30 Days. It comes in both book and online course, and it's 30 little tiny lessons to playing your first 10 songs. And this is how it works. Each day you get all the lesson information knowing exactly what to do and how long you should practice for. This helps to take out all the thinking of what you should be learning and all the searching on YouTube, and it's all just laid out for you in an easy to read, digestible format and a highly structured way. You can access this low-cost printable book or online course using the link below. Thank you for listening, and now back to the tutorial. So for Summer of '69, we have 2 bars of this D5. So in other words, we have 16 strums, but we want to count them in 8. So just like this. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, fantastic. So to get the correct feel for this song, in music we have what we call accents. So an accent is where we give more weight to the strum. So kind of like this, 1, 2. So like this, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. So you notice there that I'm adding a little bit more weight on strum 1 and 4. So what I'd say first is to get the strumming accurate, get everything sounding good, and remember, speed comes from accuracy. Where a lot of people go wrong, they go for speed before accuracy, and speed is a natural progression from accuracy. So that's what you want to aim for first. If you are enjoying this video and engaged in today's lesson, then it makes sense to subscribe to the channel and turn on those notifications so you will be the first notified when I post new weekly videos just like this one. That's Summer of '69. I hope you enjoy playing this one, and it's just based, well, the intro and the verse just based on 2 chords, and you can impress everyone with this on your electric guitar. And remember, if you don't have an electric, you can still play it on acoustic guitar, and it sounds fantastic. You made it to the end of today's video, and a big congratulations. I had lots of fun today, and I have provided more links to fun videos just like this in the description. You can go and watch those right now. And remember, if you'd love to take a guitar course or my Guitar Star in 30 Days program, you can also access the link and course in the description right below. I'd love to see you there and to have you there. That's my time. I look forward to seeing you in the next video.